So I just did a video on XRP this morning and I mentioned specifically that price would have to break at least the 80 cent area for, any type of, let's say celebration to be had, right? Because we've seen already that price has been ranging over 3 years and has failed to break past this 80 cent level, which is actually, to be specific, 78 cents. So if you got caught out, you bought into the hype, you would be down near enough 46% at the moment, which is a huge loss. And again, this is FOMO. This is people that don't know what they're doing, seeing, all this stuff online and just saying, you know what, let me jump in. This is not how the market works. And as you can see, this was a big hit. And again, please watch the video I just made. It was literally only a few hours ago, and already what I said is playing out to the T. And again, let's just look at this from a smaller perspective, right? So as you can see, we're trapped in this range. So I'm going to circle this area here. So this again will be our resistance area, and you can see price did head up to that level, and then surprise, surprise, we see the spike right to the downside. So I'm going to draw an arrow to just show you that. So right to the downside, and if we go on a 4 hour time frame, or the hourly time frame, you can see this is a sharp decline to the downside. So the question is, what are we going to wait for now? Obviously, if you've lost, you've lost. There's not much you can do now. But let's figure out what we can do moving forward for XRP. Number one, just from a fundamental perspective, XRP have a lawsuit that's currently ongoing, and I believe the hearing will be this month. So number one, I do not want to be buying anything until there is some type of announcement made. So obviously I can actually decide what I'm going to do, right? Because if it doesn't go the right way, the price is going to shoot down even further. Or let's say price goes to around 10 cents or 7 cents, then potentially I could look at buying more, just because again it is a good risk to reward and we're buying at a low, right? So that's buying actually below this support area, which is kind of ideal if you do believe in this project long term. Now, of course, me personally, I'm not going to be touching this at all because I already have XRP holdings from years ago, and it's quite a substantial amount. So I'm just hodling. I'm just seeing what's going to happen long term, and I'll leave it at that. In regards to just buying every time price hits 80 cents, I mean, this is a great way to lose money. I mean, 50% drawdown. That is huge. So let's keep it simple. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. I mean, a perfect strategy at the moment on XRP would basically be to just trade the range. Take profit anytime, price hits this resistance, sell every time it hits resistance to the downside, buy again, and repeat until we see a breakout to the downside. That's a intraday or just a day trading strategy that can be utilized until we do break the range. But again, until we break the range, I'm going to be staying away from this particular crypto. So remember, guys, be cautious, be careful, because a lot of people are going to lose some serious money in the market this year. And again, if price does rally back up and break our range, that is incredible. I obviously want that to happen, but again, we have to be sensible until this area is broken and we're at least above 80 cents to a dollar. I won't be touching this. But again, speak to you all soon, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you today.